What's up, Goon Squad? It's a brand new day today. Today's gonna be all about the WRX. We got a few things that we gotta do. We gotta fix some body work on the doors. Right now we're headed to the FedEx facility to pick up some packages. I'm here to pick up a package. Good morning, fellas. It's nice and bright in here this time. Now, where's he at? As usual, waiting on the security guard. He'll be here soon, though. It smells so fresh in here. They keep this place clean. Call the GM right now. Dude, I hate when they take forever, but because we got to get things done. We got to move. We got to get going.
You can log in as a visitor and put that sticker on and just start walking around.
Might have to do that. Oh, he's not afraid. Get back here, man.
There ain't no security guard. Who's going to secure it?
Right, exactly. We're testing the preliminary security breach right here. Yep, you got to keep your hands clean. You just got to take advantage of everything. I got to do this because the camera. Hold the camera. There we go.
You're clear, man. You ain't got nothing on you. You don't have anything in your pockets?
Nope.
Let me see. I got stuff in my pocket.
All right, yeah. We're gonna test the security here.
I just have my wallet and my phone.
Dang, come on, guys. We're over here breaking in and nobody's coming out.
I'm just gonna start running on the little. Look, it looks like a slide right there.
It does.
I'm just gonna go up there and just start sliding. Pick up that phone and see if it does anything.
Didn't say anything. He just.
They need to hire a better security guard here or something.
He's probably out and about smoking cigarettes and just having fun. I think you got. Yeah, that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope right there. Oh, dude, use the walkie-talkie.
Oh, we got front desk.
Seriously, say it. Dude, do it. Charles, front desk. Let's see if we can find their phone number and call the building. So he just disappeared in one of them rooms over there. We're gonna try to track somebody down because we have been waiting for about, I'd say 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, and we just gotta get things done, man. We can't be waiting around like this, so.
About the sea light. Is it here?
It's in USPS. It'll be here later. All right, guys, we finally got the package. Close this. Close this.
Yep.
All right, let's go. All right, back at the house here. We're gonna pull out that package and see what's inside. Crack it open. Aha! Yeah, piece of paper. Dang, got a lip. Got a lip for it. I want to see what it looks like. Dang, that looks pretty sweet.
Have to put it up to the car.
Let's go check it out on the car. We're probably just gonna paint it black, a high gloss black, right?
Yep, I'm gonna paint it black.
I think it'll look good. I don't think you usually do paint it the same color, or some people paint it the same color as the car, but
a black lip is gonna look better.
Yeah.
On there. I want to put this underneath so I don't scratch it.
Oh yeah, don't scratch it now.
That looks good. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so we're actually gonna wait to put on that lip because we're still gonna paint it and we still gotta do a lot of work. We're gonna actually take off the bumper a couple times because we got a few more packages that are on the way. That's gonna require us to take off that bumper, so we're not gonna mess with that right now. Although it does look slick, we're gonna wait on that and we're gonna move on to the next thing. Package that sucker back up so it doesn't get scratched. Pretty soon we'll be painting this thing. So we just turn on the AC unit. And today our main focus will be to work on these doors. There's some body work that needs to be done. Let me try to find it right here. This is one of the main dings right here. It's just on that corner, so that's gonna take a little bit of time there. So that's about it for that white door. And then coming over here to the color match door, a little indentation there, and then you got like this little crease here, which is not gonna be too bad to fix. So we need to take care of that before we do paint anything else.
This is the biggest damage on this door is this one. You can kind of see a crease right here. The edge of this door got bent in. We're gonna have to bend that out and start sanding it, start applying some body filler and start getting it ready. We're gonna start sanding on this door on all the major dents and look for any more. I'm gonna start off with a 80 grit Nothing too rough. On like this spot right here, I want to sand this paint down with the 80 grit, and it'll show you how big the dent is. And might have to straighten this out with the body hammer, get it all nice and straight. And there's a dent right here, so there's a few of them here, and probably one major one on this door. Nothing too much. So we're gonna turn on these fans in this paint booth, so it'll like give a good breeze and suck some of this dust out while we're working. And it's under the shade. It's really hot outside today, so these fans should help a lot.
Alright guys, so we got all the major damage fixed. It's looking real nice. So the next step of this would probably be to what?
Sand around the edges where we sanded with the 320 and get it ready for primer.
So we're gonna go get something to eat right quick and we'll be right back out here. When in doubt, just go to Cookout. Yeah, we really love Cookout because it's cheap, it's quick, and it's delicious. So you can't beat that. And we gotta get right back to work. Alright, so we come out here to nature to enjoy a nice little lunch break. Back at the house here, we're just gonna do a little bit of final touches before we throw the primer.
We're gonna use 320 to sand out these scratches that we made with the sanding block and whatnot. Smooth everything out where you're gonna throw primer. We're gonna start doing it, and then after that we're gonna throw some primer. Now that we got everything sanded with the 320, we're gonna go ahead and take the little areas off. We're gonna throw some plastic sheeting over it and put some primer on it.
Now we're gonna go mix up some primer. So there goes one coat of primer. We're gonna let it dry a little bit and throw a second coat, maybe up to 3. We got it all primed in, it's gonna dry up. We can go ahead and actually untake this sucker and get all this tarp off of it. We're done with all the body work.
Yep.
Done with the body work. I mean, pretty much what we gotta do is just wet sand.
Wet sand this whole side, wet sand the primer.
Yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet sand this fender, wet sand this pillar, yeah, whatever you call that,
quarter panel,
and this whole entire quarter panel, and the whole doors and everything else on this side. We're not gonna touch the bumper because when we paint, we are gonna blend it, like somewhere around here, probably in the middle of that quarter panel somewhere. Same for this side over here. We're gonna sand this fender down. We're just gonna feather it on, pretty much blend it, and then we're gonna throw clear coat on this fender. If you got any suggestions on what I should do on the appearance of this,
we're really thinking about doing wheels first.
Yep.
We're really not really a big fan of these wheels. I'm thinking about changing them, maybe doing some 18s, some 19s, I don't know. We'll look around, do some research. Maybe an exhaust, an axle back, or a cat back.
Either one.
Either one, whatever we go with, we'll let y'all know.
Yeah, guys, be sure to let us know what you think is better, an axle back or a cat back exhaust, because we've been debating, and it's just all about what you guys prefer and then which one sounds better. So be sure to let us know. We always appreciate the advice and all the comments down below, so let us know. And also on the STI wing, I done posted a video today about it, and a lot of people are half and half. What do you think?
I don't know, I like it. Personally, I like it.
Same here.
And I just don't know about this. What do you guys, anybody out there that owns a Subaru knows what's behind here? Is there holes if we take off this little spoiler lip on this WRX? I don't really know what's underneath it.
Or is it just 3M? I mean,
maybe just 3M. If it's holes in there, then I don't know about that. I don't know, maybe we can still use the STI wing. It just depends, let us know.
And also I'm waiting on some stuff in the mail, some exciting stuff. I don't know if I should tell them right now or just wait till it comes in. All right guys, so we did order some sea lights, some LED sea lights, which is gonna make this thing look absolutely aggressive. It's just gonna really just make that front end, that front fascia right there just pop. All right guys, that's it for today's video. Awesome productive day.
If you want a sneak peek of our videos of what we're doing that day before a video comes out, go check out our Instagram, links down below.
Also guys, be sure to check out goonzquad.com, copy some merch and support your boys. We're gonna have some new merch going up there, some new designs. We've been working so hard on that, so guys, be sure to check that out.
If you guys would like to support our channel, go check out the links down below. We have a Patreon and we have a GoFundMe for our future shop build.
Thank you for all the subscribers, all the supporters, and all the Patreons. We greatly appreciate it. You guys make these videos possible, and we couldn't do it without you. And we also appreciate the people that funded us on the GoFundMe. You guys are getting us closer to our shop build. We're getting super close, so guys, be sure to check that out if you want to speed that up. And we're gonna throw this shop up and we're gonna be in production.
Stay tuned, like and subscribe, turn on your post notifications if you haven't, little bell down below, and we'll catch you next time. Peace!